Hungry for the real taste of Chicago? Join Bobby's Bike Hike for the Chicago Favorites Food Tour, an award-winning walking adventure through the heart of the city. You'll savor legendary bites, deep dish pizza, Chicago-style hot dogs, Italian beef, and the original brownie recipe, invented right here. As you snack, you'll stroll past the city's most iconic sites, Millennium Park, the Bean, the Chicago Theater, Riverwalk, and more, making it the perfect Chicago tour to both see and taste everything the city has to offer. Our expert local guides bring the stories behind the food and the city to life, with humor, history, and a whole lot of heart. Want more? Upgrade to our VIP package for local craft beverage pairings. It's 3 hours, 1.5 miles, easy for all fitness levels, and ADA accessible. Voted one of the top 10 food tours in the country 2 years in a row, this experience sells out fast. With over 5,000 five-star reviews, Bobby's Bike Hike is Chicago's top-rated tour company. Book your spot today and taste the city like never before.